So back here we've got Seat Pack QR. This is a new size for us. It's 7.5 liters volume. Its big brother's 13 liters, so this be smaller sizes. Brand new for us this year. Moving forward, we've got a frame pack. This guy's 3-liter sizes. It's available at 4 liters, just a little bit longer, but basically the height and the width are going to be the same. We've got a fuel pack here. This is 1 liter storage, quick access, magnet closures. It can direct mount or strap on to the top tube there. Moving forward, we've got these fork packs. And the fork packs are great, place to carry anything. They can attach to suspension stuff, and the nice thing is they just pop off really easily.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, clip it right back on there. And then moving forward from there, this is a new product, the Handlebar Pack Flex in the 9-liter size. And the great thing about this, like I was saying, is just when you get to camp, pop this puppy off, bring your sleep system into your tent with you, and then when you're in the morning, you don't have to wrestle with your bike before you get back on the trail. And then finally, we've got this accessory pack on the front. And the cool thing about this is it's sort of a transformer bag. You can use it mounted like a compression panel here. You can use it like a standalone handlebar bag, but you could also use it off the bike as sort of a crossbody bag. Pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty sick.